Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, Steph plays Recois l'adoration. Let's get into it. All right, guys, going into part one. Start on the C major chord. All right, so we have C and G in the left, C, E, and G in the right. All right, I'm gonna go into the G major chord. G and D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. Going back to C major. Right? Then we'll transition to G again. Back to C. Right? And then to D major. D and A in the left. D, F sharp, and A in the right. Back to G. I'm going to sus 4. G and D in the left. G, C, and D in the right to go to that resolution, G major. Try that again. C to the G, back to C, to the D major, and then it says D, G in the left, D, F sharp, and A in the left, in the right. To the G sus 4, G, D in the left, G, C major, C, D in the right. To resolve that, add the B. Back to the C. To G again. This little transition here where we hit the G sharp to the A minor. You have A and E in the left, A, C, and E in the right. Going to the F major chord. I'm sorry, not F, the D major. We have D and A in the left, D, G, and A. Have a little sus 4 here. To the F sharp, back to G. Alright, a little inversion, but it's a sus 4 of the G. Let's run it one more time. C to G, back to C. C again, to D major, to G. Back to C, to G again. That transition to the A minor. Back to D. I'm going a little extended there, but go to D sus 4. back to G. Right, going back again. C, G, back to C. C to D major to G. Right, sus 4. Here's a different alternate. We have going to the E, doubling up on the E in the left hand. Right hand you can redo whatever you want. You can leave it in the C, go back to the F chord, to the G chord, to the A minor chord. Right? So he went from that, right, one more time, and then to the G major chord, to the G sus 4. That's part 1. Now going to part 2. All right? We're going to F major, F and C in the left, F, A, C in the right. All right, to the G major, G, D in the left, G, B, D in the right. Back to the C major. Going back to the F major, to G major again, to C major. I'm sorry. Actually, we're going to a little bit of a transition here. We have B and D in the left, B and G in the left, B, D, and G in the right. Going to C major. We'll try that one more time. F major to G major to C major. Again, F major to G major. That transition right here, that's basically just a G inversion that we're doing. Back to the F, to the G, and here's the part we really gotta focus on, right? Running one more time. F to G. Bum bum. Right, bring it up here. F to G. Here we go. We're going to the A minor. Back down to G. Oh well, A minor, A and E in the left, A, C, and G, E in the right. G, F major, E minor. We have E and B in the left, E, G, and B in the right. To D minor. Right, we've done D minor before. D and A in the left, D, F, and A in the right. To a new chord we haven't done before. It's the B flat major. We have B flat, F, B flat, D, and F again in the right hand. Right? To G sus 4 to finish that off. G and D in the left, G, C, and D in the right. Sus 4, resolve it with the B. One more time. To F major, to G, to C. I'm playing a little bit extended, but here we go again. F to G. That transition, the G inversion to C. One more time with the F to the G. Going to the A minor, G, F, E minor, D minor. Again, A minor, G major, F major, E minor, and D minor. To the F major, right? To G sus 4, resolving it with a B. One more time. F, G, C. To the F again, G, G inversion to B to C. To F, G, A, G, F, E, D. To B major. To G again. And that's the song, just basically on repeat. Right? Part 3. Going to F, from F to G major, to A minor, to the E inversion, right? We'll do that one more time. To F, to G, to A minor. Again. So it's basically on repeat. All right? Over and over again. F, G, A minor. Again. F, G, A minor. F again, G, back to C. Again, F, G, A minor, F. And again, these keep going over and over again. G, A minor, go into the D major. There's something new I'm adding here, right? We have the D, A, D, F sharp, A in there. Again, F, G, to the A minor. Right, something new you can add in there. So have some fun with it. Emmanuel. Ending off with the C. Really hope you guys take the time to get all this. Practice as many times as you need to.
Hey guys, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys got some value from this tutorial, be sure to check out the other tutorials we have here on the channel that I've compiled for you guys. I have a lot more tutorials to come. Can't wait for you guys to see them and learn them and play them in your churches. If you like the video, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to the channel, comment, and be sure to share these songs with your other piano playing friends so that they can go ahead and learn these songs as well and glorify God with these songs at your churches. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. I got some good stuff coming for you guys in the future. Can't wait to share it with you, some different kinds of content as well. Thanks again. This has been StefPlays, and I'll see you guys in the next one.